Okay, in lesson 28, module 2 homework, you have just word problems. So I'm going to help you set each one up and then you can solve them. Okay, number 1 says, Mr. Rice needs to replace the 166.25 feet of edging on the flower beds in his backyard. The edging is sold in lengths of 19 feet each. How many lengths of edging will Mr. Rice need to purchase? So remember, you're going to divide. So you're going to divide 166.25 and you're going to divide that by 19. Okay, so he may have to buy, think about the edging, it's only sold in 19 feet each, lengths of 19 feet each. So you might have to round it to how many. He might have to buy an extra one and have some left over. So do that. Remember to write your answer as a sentence. Okay, on number 2, Olivia is making granola bars. She will need 17.9 ounces of pistachios, 12.6 ounces of almonds, 12.5 ounces of walnuts, and 12.5 ounces of cashews. Those are all different types of nuts that you might put in granola bars. This amount makes 25 bars. How many ounces of nuts are in each granola bar? So, the first step 1, you're going to need to add all of those ounces up. After you add all of this up, add them all up, there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 different numbers, decimals you'll have to add up. Then once you get the answer, you're going to divide the answer by 25 because she said that this will make 25 bars. And then this answer is going to tell you how many ounces of nuts are in each of these 25 granola bars. Okay, remember to write your answer as a sentence so that you remember what you are answering for this problem. Okay, number 3. Adam has 16.45 kilograms of flour. If he uses 6.4 kilograms to make his hot cross buns, the remaining flour is exactly enough to make 15 batches of scones. How much flour in kg will be in each batch of scones? Okay, so you're going to have to first find out how much flour that he's going to divide into the 15 batches of scones. Okay, so the first step is going to be, you'll have to say 16.45. That's how many kg he has of flour. But he's going to use some of that for his bun. So you have to take that part out. Okay, that's how much he's going to use for his buns. And it's still in kg, so I don't have to change units. Now, when you get the answer here, that's the amount of flour it takes to make 15 batches of scones. So you're going to take your answer and you're going to divide it by 15 batches. And that number at the top is going to tell you how much flour is in each batch. Okay, so set that up and do this problem, and remember to write your answer as a sentence so you remember what you are answering. Okay, number 4 in your homework says there are 90 fifth grade students going on a field trip. So think 90 students. Wow, that's a big class. Maybe it's like all 3 campuses. 4 campuses. Each student gives the teacher $9.25 to cover admission to the theater and for lunch. Okay, admission for all of the students will cost $315, and each student will get an equal amount to spend on lunch. How much will each 5th grader get to spend on lunch? Now this problem seems to have a lot of steps, so let's think about what's going to happen here. Okay, this one is rather tricky. So first off, let's see how many all the 90 students paid for the trip. So we're going to take 90 times 9.25, and that's the total that they're giving to their teacher for lunch and admission. Now we take the total, and then it says that it's going to cost $315. So we want to subtract that from our total, okay? And then this answer is how much that they're going to have for lunch. But remember, there's still 90 students. So we're going to take the answer after they paid for their admission, and we're going to divide it by 90. And this is the amount up here that each student will get to spend on their lunch. So set that up and see if you can solve it.